Ever wondered how AI tools like ChatGPT are turning everyday people into millionaires? Stick around and I'll show you how to get started, even if you're a total beginner. You don't need a tech degree or a big budget, just curiosity and a willingness to learn. Let's dive in. All right, let's break it down. I'm sharing 4 AI-powered strategies that are helping modern entrepreneurs build wealth. These methods are practical, scalable, and perfect for 2025. First up, digital dollars with AI. One of the simplest ways to earn is by offering AI-powered content services. Platforms like ChatGPT can help you create high-quality blogs, marketing copy, or even entire ebooks in a fraction of the time. Freelancers are using this strategy to earn $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Imagine this. You could write content for clients while AI handles the heavy lifting. Next, let's talk about automation. Smart bots, big bucks, tools like Zapier and Make.com allow you to automate repetitive tasks in businesses. Think customer support, data entry, or even email campaigns. Here's the magic. You set up workflows once, and they keep running, saving businesses time and money. If you market yourself as an automation consultant, you can easily charge $2,000 to $5,000 per project. Now let's move into e-commerce. AI tools like Shopify's Kit or Jasper can optimize your online store by automating ads, writing product descriptions, and even suggesting inventory strategies. A friend of mine, Sarah, used these tools to automate her online boutique. Guess what? She made $100K in just 6 months. The secret? AI reduced her workload by 70% so she could focus on scaling her business. Here's a bonus idea for the creative minds: AI-driven design. Tools like Midjourney and Canva AI can help you create the logos, social media graphics, and even entire branding packages. Designers are now offering AI-enhanced services that are faster and more affordable for clients. One of my students made $50K last year just by combining Canva AI with a solid marketing strategy. Now let me share some success stories to inspire you. Meet John, who started a small AI-powered consulting agency. Using tools like Notion AI, he optimized businesses' workflows and scaled his agency to $15,000 a month within a year. Then there's Maya, who used AI to launch a personalized fitness app and grew her subscriber base to 20,000 in under 8 months. These aren't isolated cases. AI is a game changer if you're ready to innovate. Now, I promised to give you actionable steps, so here's how to set up your first AI-powered business in under 30 days. Step 1, choose a niche: content, e-commerce, automation, or design. Step 2, pick a tool: ChatGPT for writing, Shopify for stores, Zapier for automation, or Canva AI for design. Step 3, offer your services or products on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, or LinkedIn. And step 4, market yourself. Use social media or reach out directly to potential clients. Don't forget the golden rule: start small, test your ideas, and scale what works. And if you're worried about the learning curve, trust me, these tools are designed to be user-friendly. What's your AI business idea? Drop it in the comments and I'll help you refine it. And if you're hungry for more, subscribe now and join me next week for AI side hustles that pay big in 2025. Remember, the AI revolution isn't just for techies, it's for anyone ready to work smart and win big. Keep learning, keep earning, and visit theaimarketingschool.com for more insider tips and tricks. See you in the next video.